Hi friends, this is TeresaLouise. Welcome to my sewing room. I just went blank there for a minute. Sorry. Well, today I got my Sew Sampler subscription box. Came in the mail, so I thought I would share it with ya. Let's get it open. Oh, very pretty. It's called My Happy Place. Cool. My happy place is my sewing room. On the back of these, they always give us some sort of discount, and this month we get all quilt patterns are 25% off. And there you go. Nice. Then you always have this little booklet that tells you everything that's in here and what the retail value is. So I won't look at that. Looks like we have some foundation papers this month, and it's for the courthouse block. Nice. This block will finish at 6 inches, so unfinished will be 6.5. So it's it's a little one. Oh boy, looks like those, they're like 3/4 inch square. So I think you would need this paper because that's pretty tiny. Very tiny. I'll give it a try though, because I have a lot of scraps I could use. All right, what are they charging us for this? $8.98. Okay. The next thing we have in here are some of these. Looks like they go on your scissors. Magnetic silicone clips for scissors. You get 3 of them. One says paper, thread, and fabric. Cool. Check it out. Comes in different colors. This one is gray, and it says paper on it. Got a little piece of paper on there. This one says fabric. Cute little block. And thread. Those are $8.98. Ooh, $8.98. Feel pretty strong. Let's see what they look like on the scissors. I'll just put them on whatever. There you go. Those are the scissors we got last month. Kind of stick to them. Of course, this won't stick to my sewing machine because it's plastic. Well, I'll figure out something to do with them. I don't know about having them be magnetic. They're going to stick to everything, you know. You put that in your cup and it's going to go cling. All right, let's move on. Sit there and play with those things. The next thing we got is the Creative Grids Seam Guide Tool. Now, I don't have one of these, so I'm happy to get that. It's pretty neat. Use this to draw a 1.5 inch wide mark on your fabric. So you would take your pencil along here and here, and that'd give, this is a 1/2 inch, here to here. Then you also have this little hole there, strip, where you can draw a center line. Cool. Let me show you. Here's a picture. And that value is $5.99. All right. Next thing in here is we got some Elizabeth Hartman Paint Box Basics fabric. And there are 20 pieces. They're each 10-inch squares. So you got 20 of those. Nice. And the pattern this month is, of course, Courthouse Steps. And this pattern finishes at 28.5 by 28.5. Also, they're giving you a second option of doing a table runner, and it would finish at 16.5 by 52.5. You get all the fabric, let's see, to be able to do 16 blocks, it looks like. But if you want to have the borders and the binding, which I would think you would, you're going to need some more fabric. You'd need a 1/2 yard for the borders and 1.5 yards for the binding. So there you go. And then, of course, batting and backing. But that's a pretty quilt. All right. The next thing we've been getting every month is their block of the month, and it's called The Greatest Hits. And this month, the block looks like, I have to fold it like that. It's a cool looking block. That block measures 18.5 by 18.5. Wow, that's a pretty big block. Wouldn't take many of those to finish up a quilt. Very nice. See, these are usually $4.98, and then the pattern is usually $9.98. And do you guys want to see the fabric? Let's see if we can do this quick. Got lots of stuff on there. I think I'll bring the camera down so you can see, and I'll just flip through it as fast as I can, because I want to see it. There's a nice blue. Ooh, this one's pretty. Not sure how that's gonna, this is pretty white. I think I'll just bring you up. I don't know if that's working very good. All right. Fabric's hard to pick up. That one's pretty. I like that one. Here's some mushrooms. Another green with polka dots of different sizes. It's kind of a lime green. This one kind of almost looks like the courthouse step block. And these are pretty nice. I'm not usually this, I probably wouldn't buy, let me just say that. Well, some of it I definitely would. Like this, the turquoise one. I love that. There's actually quite a few in here. I guess I would buy some. You know how it is. Like, I think this would make a really good background. Yeah, it's pretty. Trying to hurry. So, yeah. I don't know if this is all of them in the line or not, since there's only 20 of them here. Normally, like a layer cake, you get 40 to 42. But a lot of times, the patterns or the fabric is duplicated. That one's pretty. And some more little toadstools. All right, really pretty. So, what'd you guys think of this box? So, it's $24.95 a month plus shipping, which I think is $4.95. And then now you have to pay some tax depending on what state you live in. So, I think I paid $32 thereabouts. Looks like the total value of the box would be right around, and retail value, $58. So got like $33 more value, more products. So anyway, what'd you guys think of this? Do you guys get it? Are you going to do the project? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? Thanks, you guys. Now, go out and make something. Till next time. Bye.